Namaste, this is Swami Raghavendra from Satya Dharma Samvad. We are talking on the very important issue on our scriptures. In these days, one sentence very propagated on WhatsApp and social media groups, and many Babas say this sentence in Katha and Pravachans. अहिंसा परमो धर्मः धर्म हिंसा तथैव च. It's a fact or fake propaganda. There is a popular saying ahimsa paramo dharmah. I think all Indians or who are interested in scriptures, who are interested in our culture, who are interested in many things like social works, they know ahimsa paramo dharma. But nowadays, political Hindutva propagandist saying that ahimsa paramo dharma dharma hinsa tathaiva cha, which perfectly shows how fake quotes are circulated in the name of our holy books, our holy granths, even though they don't actually exist in them. Let's look at the facts. Many young Hindus have asked me about this, and when they hear the truth, they get upset as if they had been robbed. These kids have probably never even opened a copy of the Mahabharata. This misinformation planted in their minds by extremists will fade away one day, but the damage it is doing to our society right now is big concern. The real quote is ahimsa paramo dharma. The phrase ahimsa paramo dharma, non-violence is highest spiritual duty. Non-violence is the highest human duty. Appears in many chapters of the Mahabharata, including the Adi Parva, Drona Parva, Shanti Parva, Anushashan Parva, and Ashwamedhik Parva. In all these places, non-violence is praised as the ultimate moral value. The shlok is ahimsa paramo dharmah sarva prana bhritam vara tasmat prana vritah sarvan na himsyad brahmanah kvachit. In simple words, non-violence is the highest duty of all living beings. Therefore, no one should ever harm any living creature. Where did dharma, himsa tathaiva cha come from? Please concentrate. The second part, dharma, himsa tathaiva cha, and so is violence for religion, is an actual religion. Where did come from? Actually does not exist anywhere in the Mahabharata. It is a completely made up line created by modern political and ideological groups. By adding this fake line, they try to justify violence by claiming that fighting in the name of religion is also a duty. This idea goes completely against the actual message of the Mahabharata, which repeatedly states that non-violence is superior to everything else. People influenced by intense nationalism often complain, leftist historians taught us the wrong history and did our true culture. But it is equality that people are twisting our own scriptures to change history and culture today, making up quotes like dharma hinsa tathaiva cha is proof of that. Look at the actual verse from the Mahabharata that praise non-violence. Adi Parv 2, 13, 14. Ahimsa paramo dharma. I said also that slok. Ashwamedhik Parv 43:21. Ahimsa paramo dharmo himsa cha adharma lakshana. Non-violence is the highest duty and violence is the sign of wrongdoing. Violence is the sign of sin. Drona Parv 192:38. Ahimsa sarvabhutesu dharmam jyayastaram viduh. Showing non-violence to all beings is known as the highest virtue. Shanti Parv 265:6. Ahimsa sarvabhutesu dharmebhyo jyayasi mata. Shanti Parv 3-9-18. Na himsyat sarvabhutani maitrayana gatascharet. Anushashan Parv 115/25. Ahimsa paramo dharmas tatha ahimsa param tapah. Ahimsa paramam satyam yato dharmah paravartate. Non-violence is the highest duty and greatest penance. Non-violence is the ultimate truth upon which righteousness follows. By ignoring these real verses and spreading the fake dharma hinsa tathaiva cha quote, people try to justify hatred, revenge and aggression. They try to paint non-violence as a weakness. In reality, the Mahabharata talks deeply about the horrors of war and the beauty of peace. And that is what makes it spiritually great. Today, in the social media age, in the WhatsApp university age, spread half-backed or totally fake information using the name of holy Hindu scriptures books. This creates two major dangers. First, it ruins the respect and dignity of our sacred texts. Second is, it creates hatred and divides people in society. When common people see this, they start drifting away from the true meaning of religion instead of understanding the soul of our Hindu scriptures. Hinduism never say that dharma hinsa tathaiva cha. Hinduism is ahimsa sarvabhutesu dharmebhyo jyayasi mata. Thank you. Namaste.